And just to look at some of the issues around that and see, unlike his last visit to Kenya, former US President Barack Obama's latest visit to Kenya will be more than a bit different. Now, there's a few issues to look at in terms of what will be different about his visit this time around, and some of them we shall document them here. And first and foremost, President Obama will not use Air Force One and Marine One because those are official vehicles, if I put it that way, and they are not going to be used because he's coming in as a private citizen. That means the famous Beast will not be in use, and so those fuel companies that have been riding on that will not have that opportunity this time. And this is a private visit and not a state visit, as I'd said. So that means some of the things that you'd expect to be given to a president will not be accorded to Obama this time around, unlike last time. And aside from that, there'll be lower security checks and details. As you may have known by now, we've not had as much disruption in our traffic and the likes, and he'll not have a fully fledged American manned hospital with a theater at the airport, unlike the last time, as well as Obama will not be received by the president at the airport, and we have Obama will go rather to State House, that is, but again he will not be accorded things like the 21-gun salute because that would be a different case. Unless any change will be very interesting to watch, and there will be no public address in Nairobi. The only address will be held in the county of Siaya.